Today, my recipe for carrot and coriander soup. So guys, let's do it. And so we start this one with some shallots. Using a really sharp knife, you very simply want to peel the shallots and roughly dice them up. The soup is going to be blended, so you don't have to worry about dicing them up fine. Once you've diced up your shallots, we want some garlic. So take a few cloves, remove the skins, dice them up roughly. Pop the garlic into the same bowl as your shallots, and then you want to pop a saucepan on the hob, turn the heat to medium and add a little dash of olive oil. Once the oil starts to get hot, chuck in the shallots and the garlic. Give them a season soon as they're in the pan, and we want to start by sweating these down. While they're ticking over, we want to prepare the carrots, so use some good quality carrots, and all you need to do is cut the carrots into inch-sized cubes. And once the shallots and garlic are nice and soft and starting to get some colour, chuck in your carrots. Stir the carrots, coating them in the oil, and the trick here with this one is to make sure that you roast off the carrots in the pan until they're nice and soft. All the water will have evaporated, really intensifying the flavours. So once the carrots are nicely roasted off, season. Before we go in with any liquids, you want to chuck in a couple of really good handfuls of coriander. Just tear those into the soup. Again, we're going to be blending, so rip them up, chuck them in, and then you want to pour in some vegetable stock. Give everything a stir, pop on the lid, and you want to cook this out for about 35 minutes on a good simmer. While the soup is ticking away, we're going to prepare another little batch of coriander, so take a good handful, and with this lot, you want to dice it up really nice and fine. We're going to use this to garnish the soup and to give it a little bit of texture. So once the coriander's diced up, chuck that into a bowl and pop it to one side, ready to go. And at this point, after about 35-40 minutes, the soup should be good to go. So get off the lid, and you want to get in there with a hand blender. So get it in there, blend it up. We want it really nice and smooth. Give it a taste, adjust with any seasoning, add a knob of butter, and once your soup is beautiful, glossy, smooth, and perfectly seasoned, you want to pour some of the soup out into a bowl, and to finish, we're going to sprinkle over some of the diced coriander, a little drizzle with cream, and another drizzle of some good quality extra virgin olive oil, and then serve with some lovely crusty white bread. And there we have my ultimate carrot and coriander soup. And all that's left to do is to get stuck in. Give it a try, and I'll see you next time.